has been way too long since I have filmed a video, and I'm actually in a new place right now. You probably can't tell, the wall color does not look that much different. Life has been happening. I can't find my tripod anywhere. I've looked everywhere today. I cannot find it. The joys of moving. So 2 weekends ago, we moved into our new place, into a place in north central Wisconsin. And then last weekend, we went back to La Crosse to clean our old place and get the last of our stuff out of there. And then I got super sick the night that we got home. And actually, yesterday was at urgent care because I had hives. No, 2 days ago. It's Thursday. 2 days ago, went to urgent care because I had hives everywhere, like face included. Was very afraid of what was wrong with me, but we were back. I feel normal again, at least for the most part. I'm a little tired, but the joys of moving, I feel like it always ends up like this. But I do have a bag full of goodies here. I'm gonna be honest. There's a lot of stuff in here that I have taken out of the packaging because I was so excited about them, and it's been so long since I bought some of these items, so it's gonna be that kind of haul. But let me start off, I think, with this item. I don't know if I have any other Halloween items. I don't think I do. So this is just a little mask. Nick got one too, and it's definitely not in the bag, so I have no idea where his is, but he's really excited about it. He got like a pirate mummy one, and his is like a full mask. This is just like a little like masquerade mask. That's what I was thinking of. So it's kind of weird. We'll see if I actually use it for like trick-or-treaters and whatnot. I also have a crooked nose, so this like nose hole situation doesn't work great. So we'll see, but it does light up. So if you have a kid, I feel like, you know, if you need like a last minute costume option, it's not so bad. For $1, and it comes with the batteries, I don't know. I think they're really fun. Nick's is even cooler because it's a full face one, but for $1, easy Halloween costume. So now I feel like I'm gonna dive right into Christmas, you know, Halloween to Christmas. I got this big camper sign that says Season's Greetings. It's got the little Christmas tree on the top. They have the red truck one like this too, but I really like, I'm more of like the camper feel, especially now that we're in north central Wisconsin. I feel like it's even more fitting. So I love this sign. I'll probably hang it either on my front door. Well, my wreath's there, but I'll hang it. I have a ton of windows in here, so I'll probably hang it on one of the windows just to display it throughout the Christmas season. And then I did purchase, these are 2 new Christmas Village. I never found frickin' Halloween Village, people. I'm pissed, but I'll have to get over it. But I did find these 2 for the Christmas Village. So there is a church, there's a post office, and those 2 they had last year. And then they had a new house. I'm nearly positive the house that they had last year was blue, so I bought the tan house. And then what is also new is the bakery. And I think last year this was like the hotel. This is what the hotel building looked like. But I picked them up. I was excited to see them. And then I only bought one little addition to the village because I don't think they had a wishing well in this one and another Christmas tree. So I definitely wanted the wishing well. But I think there was a few other new ones, but the little trinkety stuff like that, I don't know. I don't think that I really need a bunch of new ones. 3 items that I have here are these E-Circuit AA batteries. This is an 8-pack, and these flew off the shelf. So this is a Dollar Tree brand, I'm pretty sure, but for 8 batteries, that's a steal. Usually the Sunbeam packs that Dollar Tree carries are only 6 packs, unless they have the value packs, but those are kind of hard to find. Then I did pick up this Happy Holidays red truck little mason jar. I thought this was super cute, and I'll definitely get my use out of it, whether I put it, you know, on a bookshelf in my office or something like that, I really, really liked this, so I picked it up. There was another one too. I think it had a poinsettia on it, but didn't need it. So I bought a bunch of hair accessories, and these are the things that I absolutely took out of the packaging outside of that mask, because I've worn them a ton, which is really cool. So this first one is like, it's like a wire, there's like, I want to say a scarf kind of, but there's a wire in it. So what I did to wear this is I wore it like a headband. So I just hung it around my neck like that, and then put my hair back. I'm looking through my camera to try to see how poorly this is gonna look. And then I just twisted this a bunch of times, and I can tell like these are uneven right now, so I would have obviously used a mirror to do this. But then I just, you know, flip these little ties down, and then voila. So I really liked it. It's a leopard print or cheetah print or whatever you call it, and obviously that's really trendy right now. So I picked this up, and it's really comfortable on the head too. It doesn't like cut off your circulation or anything. And then I did pick up another headband. They had this plum one, and it's kind of got like the knot at the top. It does have the actual like plastic headband inside, but I really liked it because I thought it looked really expensive, and it kind of reminded me also of the headbands that Chrissy Teigen wears on her like whatever like headband of the day vacation situation with her husband and whatever. So there's a lot of fabric on the side, so I kind of folded them in and then placed it on my head. But I don't know, I thought it was really cute. I wore it one day to work and it was comfortable. And then the last hair accessory is this. So it's just this little ponytail holder with the scarf already attached to it. I will say the quality of this is not great because this scarf itself is not like finished, so I think it's probably gonna fray pretty easily. But what I did is I just threw this on my head and made sure that this top part, I don't even know how to explain this. So I wanted to make sure that the top part stayed on top, and then I actually tied this around the hair tie itself to the bottom, because otherwise I felt like these little strands were kind of sticking out funny, and it was really nice and cute. So I don't know, just a fun way to put your hair up if you have a dirty hair day. Basically all of these headbands and accessories are great for your dirty hair days. And then I think this is my last item. Obviously I have not been wandering through Dollar Trees like I have been in the past, but the last item I picked up is this wide angle lens. Another item that I couldn't help but open up. It has a little cover on it. So this, all you do is you clip it on your iPhone or your Android or whatever phone you have. I have the iPhone XR, so this wide angle lens doesn't really work for it because I already have a wide angle lens technically on my camera. But Nick has an iPhone 7, I believe, and we put it on his phone and it was fantastic. It worked really well. So this kind of does give a fisheye effect, so I'm definitely going to hang on to it, and Nick will probably use it too. But for $1, it was worth a shot because these can retail for 10 to 20 bucks. So, well, that is everything. I apologize for my absence. I know that it's been a while. I'm bummed about it because I love going to the Dollar Tree. When I was sick, it's like all I wanted to do. But I'm back, and hopefully we'll have some more videos coming soon. I know there's a lot of holiday stuff out there, and I'm really trying to stop myself from buying everything because I don't need it. I have a basement now, which is dangerous. Very dangerous. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye.